model is दूसरे लोगों का जो टाइम होता है उसको रिस्पेक्ट करना, क्योंकि एज अ मॉडल आप दूसरे डिजाइनर्स के साथ आप वर्क करते हो, मेकअप आर्टिस्ट के साथ आप वर्क करते हो, सो दैट टाइम हर चीज आपके कंट्रोल में नहीं होती, आपको किसी के अंडर काम करना होता है. सो आई थिंक रिस्पेक्टिंग अदर पीपल्स टाइम एंड यू हैव टू बी वेरी अकोमोडेटिंग. द स्टाइलिस्ट विल वांट यू टू बी अ सर्टेन वे, द डिजाइनर विल वांट यू टू बी अ सर्टेन वे. सो आई थिंक यू हैव टू बी ऑन पॉइंट एंड यू हैव टू बी वेरी अलर्ट टू व्हाट पीपल एक्सपेक्ट ऑफ यू.
Wow, well said. But I've always had this question. Yeah. Is it tougher to walk the ramp or to pose?
I think both are very easy.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I enjoy ramp, I enjoy posing. So whatever you enjoy, it's easy. Nothing is tough.
Wow, is there anything else that you guys would want to say to all of the other girls sitting back at home wanting to be models, jealous of you guys getting this awesome opportunity? Is there anything you want to say to them?
It's an amazing platform.
Yeah, it's an awesome platform, and for anybody aspiring to be a model, I think they can all watch the show and get to learn something new for sure, because it's changed us in such a way that we'd never imagined. We saw ourselves in a different light, and here throughout the course we've changed so much. We've been groomed so much by the experts in the industry, and I think any aspiring model would want that, right? So
none of us really thought we would be here and be a part of it. I know that I never really had the guts or like courage to kind of get up on stage or be in front of people and talk, and this show like changed me as a person, not just transforming how I am, how I look, what I like, how I talk, but literally like I felt like I found myself here. So I think it's just that, you know, go out, do whatever you think you should, just give it a try. So that's it.
Wow, thank you. Let everyone. The camera loves Anusha. Should we bring them on? Great. Can we play the next one so that we get everybody on stage? Great.
Mr. Garba, you pout better than me.
Thank you. Could we have the next one?
That will literally kill. Presenting the Queen, Lisa Hayden.
There are no second chances here. Either you ace it, or you say goodbye. And to ace it, you've got to have it in you. The question is, do you?